This is a huge milestone for Saint Lucia as it relates to first impression for a passenger coming to the country and how they would be received and how our processes can make the experience even better.
The Kiosks initiative forms part of the broader OECS Border Management Enhancement Initiative, which is aimed at transforming systems and procedures at the ports of entry. At the OECS Commission, we continue to explore a range of options for achieving the goals associated with automation. The installation of the kiosk machines in Saint Lucia, Grenada, and elsewhere in the OECS represents the initial phase of such efforts.
How the system works is a passenger can scan their passport, have their picture taken, make sure that the passport holder and the picture match, and then interact with the border control management system to grant entry to the passenger or not.
We are grateful to the European Union, which funded the initiative through the Regional Integration through Growth Harmonization and Technology project called RIGHT. We look forward to expanding such collaboration in an effort to ensure that increased capacity to achieve full automation across all OECS member states. Our goal essentially is to ensure that automation becomes part of the DNA of all the major ports of entry in the OECS member states.